Hello guys, welcome to the new YouTube video and in this video we are going to talk about what are the mitigated and unmitigated zones, and in the next coming 2 minutes you will learn how you can identify mitigated and unmitigated zones. So let's start. So let's imagine price is in a bullish trend, right? Price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So price is going up like this and price just broke the structure here and price going up and down, right? Price making series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So what are the mitigated and unmitigated zones? So these zones are mitigated by this zone, right? So price have filled the imbalance between these zones. So these are zones are not valid for holding the price, right? So where is the unmitigated zone then? So this is a zone that is still unmitigated, and there are highly possibility that price will come down, and this zone will surely hold the price, and then price will shoot up, right? So this is how you can identify the mitigated and unmitigated zone. So let's go on the live chart. So let me tell you how you can identify um, in this way. You will learn how you can identify mitigated and unmitigated zones. So price is making a series of lower high and lower lows. Price is in a bearish trend. So this is mitigated by this zone, right? Price just went down and mitigated by this zone, and price just went down, and this zone is still unmitigated, right? This zone, and there is a possibility that price will surely hold the price. And then this zone, this is also unmitigated, right? This is mitigated by this zone, then price went down. This is mitigated by this is mitigated by this zone, right? And this is mitigated by this zone. So this is how you can identify the mitigated and unmitigated zones. So when price is in a bearish trend, price making a series of high highs and high lows, right? So from here, these all zones are mitigated, right? Mitigated by these. This is mitigated by this zone. This is mitigated by this zone. And what is the zone that has remained unmitigated? This zone. And from here, sorry guys, there, and price will go up and then will go down, right? So this is how you can identify on a live chart. So let's go on a live chart. Let me tell you. So from here, price is in a bullish trend, right? Price is in bullish, price just go up, mitigated by this zone and went down. Price just go up, broke structure and mitigated by this zone. Price just go up, mitigated by this zone, right? Price. So this is a zone that is still remained unmitigated. That's the unmitigated zone you can target, and from this zone is also unmitigated, right? And this zone is mitigated by this zone, and this zone is mitigated by this zone, right? This zone is mitigated by this zone. So this is how you can identify valid, mitigated, and unmitigated zones. And the zones that are unmitigated, there are highly chances that price will surely hold the price from that zones, right? And if you are taking zones that already are mitigated, there are highly chances that your stop loss can hit, right? Just like this, like this zone is already mitigated, and price just went up. And if you are uh, taking trade from these zones, there are highly chances that you will get hit. Why? Because this zones is already mitigated. So this is how you can identify wallets, mitigated and unmitigated zones. So stay tuned to the next video, guys. The video will be about best zone, which is the best zone you can trade. And please, if you guys like the video, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks, guys.